Okay, y'all.
It also
So
takes colors
right
once you
now,
play with it. So.
right now, I'm gonna go get my sister. You guys can come with me, and her camera can come with me if she wants.
She just tripped over.
Y'all, see, I got better light in there. Oh my god. So, we're gonna go get my sister. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't know. Okay. So yeah, I'm walking to the house. I'm just waiting for that car to pass by, because it won't pass by. But I'm literally trying to figure out who those kids are over there. Like, so I'm gonna walk all the way down there. There's my house right there. Why am I showing y'all that? And then they're like posted it on YouTube. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna cover that out, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm gonna cover that out. With an emoji, with a heart face emoji. Cause y'all wish y'all had it. Okay, anyway. Let's go. Get my sister. Mookie, come with me. I need to get you dressed. So y'all, this is how she looks right now. She look like this, up to the bottom. And I'm gonna show y'all how she look in a minute. So y'all, that haircut to do. And this is what she look like. Her hair is wet. I wonder if she could come outside. So she got in trouble for coming to my house. Cause you're not really my sis, but I don't know what you want to do. Are you just supposed to stay out here?
And wait.
For her to say something? And be like, oh yeah, there's in that. Hold on. This old lady walks slow. But we had got in a fight. I had to drop my phone, that's why.
Desire?
Um, oh no. But like my phone, it was unpaused, so like you guys could see the fight. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna post this or not. You guys are probably like, why are you not that mad? Because basically it wasn't my fault. But she got in trouble. She should have just stayed home, like she was supposed to. Instead of going in my house. So it's really not my fault. Well, I thought we never would get in a fight, but we have. We have. Trust me, we have. So yeah, I don't think I could go back to their house. But I'm gonna call mom. I'm gonna call my I'm gonna call Miss Joyce and ask her Because the only reason why we can't be outside is because of Emily. And if she's not out here, then I can't be out here. So I need to call her mom unless she's gonna come out here. So it's really not fair for me. So her mom's mad doesn't mean that she has to be mad at me. So I'm gonna call her mom. I'll see you guys in the next part of my vlog because this part is very sad.